Hey everybody, it's Roy from Marco12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with the Ringke Onyx case for the Google Pixel 11 Pro. The Ringke Onyx is an awesome case. It is a mid-range case at an affordable price. The cases go for between $15 and $20 depending on whether you get it with MagSafe or not. Currently it comes in two different color options. There's the black as well as the dark green. You can get either color option with MagSafe or without. I do have the MagSafe option right here. The MagSafe option goes for $20 and the non-MagSafe option goes for $15. Ringke does have other bundle options where you can get it with screen protectors and accessories as well. This case is super straightforward. It's a mid-range case. It features a flexible TPU with a slightly firmer back. It features a sandstone grip, so it's very easy to hold and it's very grippy in the hand. To put it on the device, you're going to set it down like that. You're going to find your power and your volume buttons and you're going to slide those right on in. Push down around the corners and presto, you are good to go. Now, as I mentioned, it does have that sandstone grip. You can see that up close here. It's very grippy and it feels very comfortable in the hand. It also has this textured grip that goes up and down both sides. The power button is also textured, so you can find it quickly and easily. And there's a little bit of texture there, or a little bump on the volume button, so you can identify that and know which ones you're pushing. All three buttons are very responsive. They're very clicky and there's no issues using them. Here on the bottom you have a cutout for your USB-C charging port for your speaker and for your microphone, and up top you have another cutout for your noise cancelling mic. Here on the front you have a raised lip that goes around the whole front of the device. It's extra thick here in the corner so that you can set that down and not have to worry about your screen protector or your screen getting scratched up. If you look even closer there, you can see that there is a screen protector on here. This case is screen protector friendly, goes right up to the edge of it, and there's no issues with bubbling or damage to that screen protector. Looking here at the back, you do have a nice deep cutout there for your camera flash and other sensors, and that's nice and wide so you can set that down and not have any wobble. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the case does feature MagSafe support, so you can use this with a MagSafe charger as well as MagSafe accessories. You throw that on the MagSafe charger and presto, you're charging right away. And if you don't want to use MagSafe charging, the case also does support standard wireless charging. You just grab that wireless charger, set it on down, presto, you're good to go. Now, one other thing I forgot to mention there is the case does have these little loops right here, these little cutouts there for a lanyard loop. That makes it so you can put a lanyard through there, you can put it around your wrist or put it to a pocket or something, and it gives you a little bit of extra grip there and a little bit of extra security. Looking at this case right here, you can see that there are some little pockets there in those corners. That does give you a little bit of extra impact protection. That makes it so when it hits the TPU, it's going to hit the TPU first, spread out that impact a little bit, and then it's going to hit that air pocket and spread it out just a little bit more. It's not going to give you as much as some of the bigger, thicker cases, but it does give you some decent mid-range protection that's going to keep your device protected. The Ringke Onyx is one of my favorite cases, and it's one that I would definitely recommend checking out. It's a great, affordable case that's going to protect your device. It's going to give you some good grip so you don't have to worry about dropping it, and it's going to look good, and it's going to last for the life of your device. If you guys have any questions about the Ringke Onyx or about anything else you've seen in this video here today, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.